Good morning. It's like 1 o'clock. Slept for a good minute or two. We're going to Jason's Deli. It's in the parking lot. Nice and easy. It's practice day. Pro-am day for these boys. I will be filming. It couldn't have worked out any better. Also, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. The channel's creeping up on 20K. Instagram's creeping up on 20K. So when both of them hit 20K, since this month I probably won't be streaming much, I normally give away bowling balls every month on Twitch. Click the link in the description below. When we hit 20K, I'll give away some bowling balls. So tell your friends to subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, you should probably do so. And follow me on Instagram if you like free stuff.
Thanks, man.
We're back.
Yeah, we're back.
In action.
South Plains Lane.
Look at all the tour players. We found an AJ Johnson. Adam Johnson.
All the Johnsons.
All the bells and whistles. The live stream cams. All the really good bowlers. You know, first timers be like, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Look at all these really good bowlers. I'm like, oh, we're back, baby. I'm ready. Yeah, baby. Hello. Aspect action.
Mine's all. Yeah.
Mine's so shiny compared to your guys'.
I just hit it.
Oh.
Mine's been sitting for a year.
I was gonna ask you if you're excited for the tour to be back, but you've been bowling PBA events since the end of the regular swing, so.
I'm still excited, yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
He seems really excited.
Chill.
Alright, well we got practice in, I don't know what time it is, but soon. So
16 minutes.
putting the shoes on, and we're gonna see what we got. Alright, I'm done practicing. I'm gonna go drill a ball. We're allowed only one ball this week because there's only one person drilling bowling balls, and this is the guy.
What's up?
We're thinking something strong. I'm thinking RSTX1. I don't know where it is. Oh, right in front of my face. Which one is the one? I think I like this one.
Wrong one.
No?
Yeah.
You don't like that one? My balls say so.
Oh. Yes. You gotta go through all of them.
No. This is the one. This is the
Going
one.
on Dick Allen. Go through all of them.
I'm gonna let Dick do Dick. And this Dick is gonna do this Dick. There we go. 5 by 4 by 2.5. So balls like reality are looking pretty good for me. I brought a Sherlock, didn't look fantastic, but maybe it'll look better with some more surface. UFO Alert was good. Basically all the strong balls. So this one's gonna kind of fit the gap, hopefully. And we got the 9 a.m. squad tomorrow, so if you know, you know. The legendary Dino Castillo's gonna drill my ball.
I'm not drilling it.
Well, he's touching my ball. $40 later, we're getting a bowling ball drilled. What's up?
I need to get you on my vlog this weekend so we can have vlog v vlog action.
All right,
Floppy Penguin, check me out.
Floppy Penguin.
Yes, sir.
All right, I guess we're gonna be on his vlog, so there we go.
I'll get you.
Yep. We're all about growing the sport, right? So we gotta help each other out. Let's go see what the fellas are up to.
So much shitty food in front of you. From bloated face. Hi, Darren.
What's up?
How's you get me talking?
I didn't hear anything.
I'm a really nice friend, I
The
swear.
camera may have, though. What did he say to you?
Well, he's making fun of me of what I'm eating.
No.
Cheese?
Well, kind of. A little bit. I'm happy he's trying to get healthy, but I also make fun of him for it, so I don't know.
So you said healthy, so not cheese.
No, I mean,
Seaweed, kelp, and air. That's what he's consuming now.
yeah, I'm filter feeding.
It sounds kind of good. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm also Asian, so that could be why.
No, I'm on just 8 weeks. 8 weeks.
You're looking good.
Feeling good.
How was practice? Was it fantastic?
It's I switched my pitches, so I'm getting used to everything.
Nice.
This is like the first big tournament.
I like your chances. The last time I switched my pitches, I finished 8th at the TOC.
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to finish like first here, but
Yeah, same. But yeah.
Well,
So would a lot of other people, including myself.
yeah, but oh man,
Best bowler in the world.
that's not a proton. That's not a proton.
He'll throw it though. Don't
I know.
worry, he'll throw it.
I watched it. 2-4-8-10, 2-8-10. I'm like, doesn't look that good. But he's gonna go 350 over with it tomorrow.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's the false play. It's the false play. It's like, wow, Chris doesn't have the proton this week. He's screwed. B.
I'm gonna say you gotta get that house shot.
Look who it is. Brad effing Miller. He's alive. The people missed you.
I know. We've got some catching up to do.
I had a lot of comments like, are Brad and Kyle still making videos?
Yeah, we've gotten that too.
Are we back?
Like, are Brad and Kyle done? Are they done? Like, no, we're not done.
So we're back this week.
We're back. So,
No, Kyle,
videos-
it's just Brad.
It's just Brad.
Brad and Nick.
So you get the boring bald guy.
Boring.
Yeah, it's nice being around Kyle because he's got the swagger, you know, and I can just kind of chill.
But now you have Nick.
I know. And I'm telling you, I drove down 8 hours with Nick, and the whole time I'm like this. Because the man smells. Dude, he had 50 farts that were awful.
Well, glad to have you back.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You're killing everything.
Doing what we can.
You're like a top 10 bowler in the world right now.
No.
I would put you in there.
I'm 45th.
On the PBA Tour, you're 45th?
Yeah.
Dude, you almost get to make the RPI.
Almost. That's what I'm so mad about.
I'm right around there too. I might be at the top 50. Do you
I
know?
don't think you are. I have no idea though. I'm sure they point somewhere, but
Yeah, Reno, man.
it's all right. We'll make our mark. Here. We're starting here.
Yeah, we'll both win.
Let's go.
I don't know if AJ watches the vlogs, but he owes me one now. I'm bowling the Pro-Am for him. That's right, I'm bowling the Pro-Am. Things change. Oh God, where'd the, how do we get inside now? On the truck we go. Mikey's drilling, Chris is drilling, we're gonna get some food, then I guess we're coming back and bowling the Pro-Am. Well, Mikey and I got out of the Pro-Am, but Chris did not. I don't know if that's lucky or unlucky. I kind of wanted to try my new ball, but it's all right. So we'll just hang out at the Pro-Am for a little bit and wait for Chris to finish. Who's gonna bowl 300? Of all the pros.
Who's out there?
It's not no time. Simo doesn't think it's gonna be Simo.
Glad he said it first, because I wasn't gonna guess. Okay,
Doherty, 300. Doherty. All right, I'm picking Dick. Barnes. All right, we got Barnes, Doherty, and Dick. We'll see who does it. Dick missed in the first frame, and Barnes only got to 3. So that just leaves Mikey.
Now we all have no life.
Loser.
We just roll over to game 2.
Sure.
Yeah, if Sterner does both 300.
Well, only one person shot 300, one pro at least, and it was EJ. Surprise, surprise. Hey, what's up to the people?
Hey, what's good? It's Logan here with Darren. He's gonna turn up tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day.
That's what's up.
Yes, sir.
Right on, man. All right, Pro-Am's done. We're getting out of here. I'm sure Chris had a wonderful time. Yeah, we're back tomorrow. Mikey and I are A squad. We bowl at 8:30 in the morning. Chris bowls B squad. Yeah, I'm sure we'll watch him at some point to get some film. But yeah, Wallace. Shout out Wallace for filming tomorrow.
Shout out Wallace.
Wallace? Wallace. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. The summer tour is back, or the tour is back in the summertime. It is the summer tour. Game time. See you tomorrow.